Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today I wanted to record a super short video on a very, very cool new app for your WordPress directory. So I have not bought this yet. I haven't used it yet, but I know people who have. I think it's just been out for a couple days. I think it was released last week. Today is the 5th, I think, so about a week ago. And I've played with this. I've used the demo for both, or actually for all three of these: Listable, Listify, and My Listing. So essentially, uh, this converts your directory into a fully featured app, mobile app with all sorts of really sweet uh, user experience touches. So you have on the Listify version of this, you can use a really cool bookings feature right on your, so you're using the app functionality rather than the responsive website functionality. You have to kind of look at this yourself to get a good measure of how this works. I'm going to do a shitty job explaining it, but essentially it converts your directory into a an app-like experience, no different than Yelp or any other higher grade or higher level mobile experience that a more well-funded directory or community or Airbnb type of experience would offer. So I encourage you to come visit uh, this link. You can see it for yourself. They have some great videos on how to refine and sort of tweak this a bit as well. They have videos on how to install it, how to run it. And the beautiful part about this is it runs on a myriad of different themes that many of you have purchased. So if you have the My Listing theme, this will work. I think it's actually in beta, the My Listing, although there is a demo available. I don't think it's fully integrated yet. There is a Listable for sure and a Listify example that is live, that is ready now. And I think the My Listing officially is released in the next couple of weeks. There's also some Listing Pro conversation on the comment thread, which you can read here. Apparently, they're planning on modifying this to accommodate Listing Pro as well. And my intuition is, and I don't know these guys, but my intuition is that over the next couple weeks to months, most of the popular WordPress themes will have a version of this app available. All right. I also know they're going to be charging a lot more for this in the weeks and months to come. What I've read was a couple $100. Right now, it is only $59, which makes this a really great steal of a deal. It's a steal of a deal regardless, even at a couple $100, because it would cost thousands of dollars to really have a custom app developed for whatever WordPress theme you are running. The other quick caveat, or I'll make a quick caveat and a quick secondary point. The caveat is it is a little buggy. They are aware of the bugs. It's a new product. Some of the functionality that I played with had some wonkiness to it. I've seen where that wonkiness has been addressed on the comment thread, as well as a Facebook group for My Listing, which is where I was first kind of pointed in this direction. So certainly all that will be fixed and tweaked and critiqued and optimized and improved. The other caveat, which I don't think was a caveat, what was I going to say? Oh, the other sort of addendum to this commentary is if you're building these kind of sites to flip, and I know many people in my own community are, so my own audience, lots of folks are building really small hyper-local directories for sale, right? You're buying these to flip or to sell within a 30-day period. Having an app-like experience makes that such a more compelling offer to integrate into what you're actually trying to sell. So if you came to me, for an example, in my community and had a My Listing directory that looked great, that had 100 listings pre-populated, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and you wanted to sell that to me, I would probably find that pretty enticing or appealing, contingent upon my own needs. But if you had this mobile app integration as well that really was super sexy and smooth, it makes it that much more obviously appealing to your ideal audience, both the professional peers that you're catering to, the public who'll be using your community, as well as prospective buyers that may be interested in purchasing your site and your services. All right, so hope that helps. Check it out. I'll have the link below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, thanks so much and have a great day.